Dear all, I am Dr. Vidyanan, consulting dermatologist, Madurai. I am into practice for the past 17 years. So, on this occasion of Vitreousness Day, World Vitreousness Day, which is observed on June 25th every year, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals has initiated a patient awareness program. The theme, Embrace Your Inner Self. So, I take this opportunity to spread the message of truth, encourage, and transform. So, in this regard, I would like to share a few facts on vitiligo. Vitiligo is a acute skin condition caused by destruction of the melanocytes by autoimmune factors in genetically predisposed person. As you all know, melanocytes are the pigment-producing cells in our body, which are located in the skin, hair, and mucosa. As a result of melanocyte destruction by the autoimmune factors. Autoimmune means our own body's immune system directed against our own immune cells. In vitiligo, these immune cells destroy our own pigment-producing cells, melanocytes. So that will cause milky white depigmented patches of skin, hair, and mucosa. So vitiligo is not an infectious disease, so it is not transmissible from one person to other person. So it is due to destruction of the melanocytes by autoimmune factors in a genetically predisposed person. Role of gene, that is role of inheritance, is a complex one. It is multifactorial. At least 20 to 30% of vitreousness patients, we have one closely affected family member with vitiligo. And we should also remember there are several conditions, both infective and non-infective conditions, which may cause vitiligo like patches, but of course they are not vitiligo. So the patients should seek that any dermatologist expert opinion in arriving at an early diagnosis of vitiligo and proper treatment. So coming to the treatment options, we have many treatment for that vitiligo. So it includes medical, surgical, and phototherapy. Of course, the latest one is the gene therapy. But the treatment of choice, it all depends on various factors, not only the extent of the patches, the number of patches, but also the site of the lesions and the activity of the disease and the patient preference. Along with the treatment, patient can also use the camouflage cosmeceuticals, which definitely will help them in encouraging social interaction, particularly when they attend any social event. They can always use these camouflage cosmeceuticals, which can hide the vitreousness patches, particularly over the exposed part of the body. So the treatment outcome, it depends on various factors. So not only on the extent of the patches, but also the site of the lesions. As it is due to autoimmune disease in general, the outcome is unpredictable. So the disease may undergo both relapse and remission. So early diagnosis is very important, so that the patient can initiate the treatment very early, so the treatment outcome will be very better. There are various factors, as I said earlier, that will influence the outcome of the disease, like the extent of the patches as well as the number of the lesions, the site of involvement. So the patient should start the treatment, that is the better one, and some patients will relapse even after remission. So these patients has to be followed up continuously and should be on maintenance treatment for a better treatment outcome. So this is about the treatment options. So my final message would be, we should not discriminate this patients with vitiligo. So like psoriasis, the vitreousness patches, particularly if it affects the exposed part of the body, like for the hands and certain private body parts and for the face, that will affect them psychologically. So that will inhibit them to move freely, and that will also affect their social interaction. So it is our duty, we should change our outlook towards this patient, and this should be part of our daily routine life. So we should remember that it is not due to any infective agent, so it is not transmissible from one person to other person. And it is due to autoimmune destruction of the melanocytes in a genetically predisposed person. And it is also not due to any curse, so which was widely believed previously by our society. So with this message, I congratulate our Glenmark Pharmaceuticals for their wonderful initiative, and and I would like to would be a part of their this initiative, the cause in their cause towards eradication of the social stigma towards vitiligo. Thank you.